Have you ever wanted to create stunning transitions in your web applications, only to find it challenging? If that sounds like you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into shared element transitions using ReactJS. I totally get it. The idea of having seamless transitions between pages can make your app feel so much more polished. It's frustrating when you see it done in Android, but wonder if you can achieve the same in ReactJS. You're definitely not alone in this. Here's the specific question we're tackling today. One user asked, is it possible to achieve shared element transitions in ReactJS like in Android? They're looking for examples or alternatives, like using jQuery. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what exactly is a shared element transition? It's when two identical elements on different pages link together during a transition, creating a smooth visual effect. This can enhance user experience significantly. Let's break down how we can achieve this in ReactJS. And stick around. I'll share a simple example at the end that you can implement right away. You won't want to miss it. To achieve shared element transitions in ReactJS, the user should start by installing the necessary libraries. The most commonly used library for this purpose is React Transition Group. Next, the user needs to set up their components. They should create two components that will represent the pages between which the transition will occur. Each component should have an identical element that will be shared during the transition. Now, the user should implement the transition logic. This involves using the transition component from React Transition Group to wrap the shared element. The user can define the transition styles for entering and exiting. Finally, the user can test the transition by navigating between the two pages. They should ensure that the shared element animates smoothly from one page to the other. Fun fact, the first web pages were just plain text with no transitions at all. Look how far we've come. Now we can create beautiful animations with just a few lines of code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests a method for shared element transitions in ReactJS. They recommend maintaining two state variables, current mode and next mode, with values of 1 or 2. When an album is clicked, set next mode to 2. Then compare current mode and next mode to adjust sizes accordingly. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One alternative solution comes from a user who suggests using a library called Mauerwerk. This library creates a grid where each cell can have a status, either in thumbnail or open mode. You can use this status to transition between contents, allowing for fading effects or other transitions. Additionally, there's a toggle function to open or close a cell. Here's the example I promised. Let's create a simple shared element transition using React Transition Group. You'll see how easy it is to implement this in your own projects. And there you have it. You now know how to create shared element transitions in ReactJS. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on web development.